Good morning, kids. It's Mr. Agee here on Wednesday, October 28th. And today for math, we're going to be taking a little quiz over the liquid volume measurements and the mass measurements in kilograms and grams that we've been talking about for the last week and a half or so. So you're going to go into the week 11 assignments for 1026 to 1030 math, word study, and inquiry. You're going to go here into the math folder, and today is Wednesday. So on Wednesday, you'll see here you've got a quiz for liquid volume and mass measurement. You will open the document with Kami and bring it up on your screen in Kami. And any reading help that you need on the quiz, you can use the text-to-speech feature here and have it read to you. For the answers that require a short answer on the line, you use the text box. You can use the text box and put your answers on the line. Just make sure you're following all the written directions. Like, for example, read each digital scale, write each weight using the word kilogram or gram for each measurement. So on this first one, you'll write the reading on the scale. And so you're going to choose between whether it's kilograms or grams, and the number is already on the scale for you. So you'll rewrite the number and then write kilogram or gram on the line using the text box feature. Here we've got another question for you to answer, and there's no number by it, so you have to be kind of careful here, but it says 10 bags of sugar weigh 1 kilogram. How many grams does each bag of sugar weigh? Well, you're going to want to put your answer here in the text box feature. You can include an equation to go with it to show how you solved it, or a math picture. Another option is if you'd like to, if you can, print it and do the work on the paper, or do it on scrap paper actually, and just put the answer on the paper. That's fine with me too. These are strange times, and in the classroom, I'd be making sure to see the written strategies that you're using, but because we're distant and learning virtually, I'm going to cut a little slack here, and I'm just going to be looking for your answers. Okay, so here we're reading a scale, and you're going to be writing the weight in grams or kilograms. Here you're circling the correct unit of weight for each estimation. So we've done this before. All of these problems are problems that we've done before. It's just kind of a check-in to see how you're understanding things right now. In liquid volume measurement, you're reading these scales on the containers. Here we've got a little problem that goes with problem 5. And here we've got the capacities of 3 cups. That's how much liquid volume they'll hold, and some problems related to the capacities of those cups. And we've seen a problem like this before, where you use the chart to answer the questions, and you've got this scale here, and it tells you to label the number line to show the capacity of each of these cans of paint. I wouldn't worry about writing the whole word or typing the whole word next to where you plot the data point on the line, on the number line, but you could put SW at 67, BM at 43, V at 36 for item A. And then just go ahead and use the text box feature to solve, or to put your answers for the rest of the problems. And that's your assignment for today. You've got a quiz. I need to do a check-in with you. This is an actual assignment, so you will need to, once you're finished, you'll go to this Turn In button. You'll click Turn In, and then you have to click Turn In again once you're finished. And that's how I receive your work, and I can look at what you've been doing. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you bring them to our meeting. I'm not putting a due date on this assignment, so take your time with it, but I would like to see it by the end of the week. So if you don't get it all finished today, you can work on it for tomorrow as well, but there will be another assignment tomorrow. So good luck, do your best, and I'm looking forward to seeing your work.